what's up? Let's begin with makeup. For primer, I'm using Inside Cosmetic 1. This is an affordable primer under 300 rupees. Primer help us to fill up our pores and also give a smooth base for your makeup. And applying it all over, concentrating more on my T. Next, I'm applying a illuminating moisturizer from Sugar Cosmetic. It gives that hydrating inner glow effect on your skin, so I would recommend you all the time. This product is amazing, it works really great. So I'm applying it before my foundation to give that inner glow. For foundation, I'm using Maybelline Fit Me in the shade Sun Beige, applying it in dot motion all over my face. Going to mix it up with flat top foundation brush. I'm dabbing my foundation, not dragging it. If you drag it, it will move from the place. So in dabbing motion, you need to blend it out. This shade is perfect for my skin. This is a matte foundation. It is easy blendable. This foundation gives you that full coverage under 500 rupees. And also I'm dragging my foundation to my neck so that it match with my face. For concealer, again from Maybelline Fit Me in the shade Honey, applying it under my eye for concealing darkness in inner corner, bit on my face, around my mouth, bridge of my nose. So conceal wherever you have dark spot, depigmentation, blending it with the same foundation brush, using same brushes will melt the product magically and gives you that flawless base. For setting up, I'm using Faces Canada lightweighted compact powder. This compact powder is amazing. It's one of the best compact powder I came across till now. This is lightweighted and gives you that no powdery effect on your face. You can't feel any powder on your face and it's set like a magic. So I would highly recommend it. For begin my eye makeup, I'm using Nykaa K Newark Under the Sea palette and taking this yellow shade, applying it on my crease and blending it out. I'm going to take another shade from this palette, this orange shade, and I'm going to blend it out with the same yellow shade on my crease, from inner corner to outer corner. Next, using Poison Tree palette, taking this reddish orange shade and dusting off excess product and applying it on my lid and going to blend it out with a crease color. Taking this shimmer shade from this palette and placing it on my lid in the middle with a flat brush. Done with one eye, let's just complete another eye, and here is the final eye makeup. For my lower lash line, I'm using Eyeconic brown eye pencil and applying it in my waterline, and then I'm going to smudge it with a pencil brush. Before mascara, I'm just curling my lashes so that it gives that lifted look, cause today we will not going to apply any false eyelashes. For mascara, I'm using Maybelline Hyper Curl Mascara, giving a good coat of mascara to my lashes. Applying 2 to 3 coat of mascara gives that false lashes look. You will get to see it. Then going to apply on lower lash line as well. Here is the game-changing look. You can see how lifted and extended look it's giving. Amazing. For cheeks, I'm using a tint. This is from Naftun Beauty. Full review video of this particular product will come up soon on my channel, so stay tuned for that. And I'm going to apply it in a dot way and going to blend it with the blush brush, and this is super hydrating and long lasting super pigmented tint, so stay tuned for my review. For bronzer, I'm using Sugar Cosmetic bronzer in the shade Woody Wonder with an angle brush, and I'm just bronzing my face for that structural look. It is an optional step. I like to do it for photographs. It looks good, it gives that structure look, and it gives that. For highlighter, I'm using e.l.f cosmetic highlighter and highlighting my inner corner and also face. This is one of my favorite product. This gives that natural highlighting glow, easy buildable, and also it is not that chunky highlighter that gives that fake highlighting look. It is the most perfect highlighter that gives that natural effect and amazing. I just loved it. Just filling my brows, only sparse area. This is a old brow pencil from Lakme, and I'm just combing my brow with a spoolie for that complete look. For lining my lips, this is from Miss Clear Lip Pencil. The shade name will be there in my description box, so do check it out for your reference. This is a perfect everyday nude pinkish color. Amazing, and it goes almost pretty much almost with all lip shade. For lipstick, I'm using this shade from Maybelline. This is a Crimson Red. This shade is amazing. I'm just applying just a little bit. Just here is the final finished look. Simple eye makeup for any occasion. If you like this video, do give a big thumbs up and comment down below. You can follow me on my Instagram. I'm pretty much active there. The link will be there in my description box, and also I'm going to mention on my screen. Before leaving to my channel, make sure you consider subscribing my channel and press the bell icon like next to it